Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is King Sam and this is another episode in our mini tutorial series where I bring you After Effects tips and tricks in less than a minute. And today we're going to be creating this scrolling animation right here in After Effects. So let's get 2 minutes on the board, poof, and let's jump right in. So in After Effects here, we're just going to our pen tool here and we're just going to type in all the years we're going to use. So 2020, 2000, sorry, starting from 2000. I'm just going to type down to 2025. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to move it to the middle of my composition here. I'm just going to my align tab and I'm just going to try as much as possible to align to the middle of my composition right here. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to open my position property right here. And I'm going to begin on my timeline right here and I'm making a keyframe on the position and I'm just going to the end of the timeline here and I'm just going to drag this up until I'm at 2025. And we just position it almost at the middle also. So next I'm going to do is I'm just going to select this my tool keyframes here. I'm going to hit F9 to easy ease, open up my graph editor like this, and I'm going to just drag this back like this. Then take this point also, and I'm just going to bring this forward. And now I'm going to left click here and pre-compose this layer, move all attributes, new composition, hit OK. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to come to my square here and I'm just going to take it and draw a layer mask like this on my compose layer. Now I'm going to open this up and I'm just going to increase the mask further till I see part of this my previous one showing. Now if you play it back, you should have this cool looking animation right here. So now that I have learned how to make this animation, why don't you take a crack at learning how to make this animation right here, or you can also learn how to make this one. And I'll catch you in that video. From now till the next video, and it's going to be an amazing one. Remember, improve every day, grow constantly, and dream endlessly. Tell me how I did. Keep to the 2 minutes in the comment section. Bye guys.